channel Pretty Little Things, and I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
So thank you for the amazing response for our first video, and we are back again with something new.
And before that, if you haven't seen our first video, please go watch it right away. And for this video, what do we have?
Well, so most of you guys know that I'm not like a big makeup fan, but recently because of Shaurya, I am starting to learn new things and she's gonna teach me a lot of stuff about makeup. So we went to Sephora and
We shopped!
yes, all girls love to do that. Here are our bags. We can literally, do weightlifting with these. Heavy stuff.
She can, not me.
I'm so proud of myself. I went shopping for makeup.
Yeah, dude. So why didn't you ever do makeup?
Why didn't I ever do makeup was because I did love to do, all these outfits and styling, but since the beginning, no one taught me how to do makeup. Neither was I, into that whole makeup thing. I was more of a person where I would go like, be comfortable in your own skin, Shaurya. You don't need makeup, bro. You look so pretty. But yeah, I think you should know the basics, right? So yeah, Shaurya's here. Yeah.
Let's get started.
So we bought everything starting from the base to, whatever you need to do makeup. Shaurya's gonna tell you all that.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, what do we have first?
Pick up anything random. Oh yes, so the first product that we picked up is the Benefit Professional Primer, which so initially when we were looking through primers, I thought like, let's not invest so much in primers, like let's just pick up another one. But the moment she tried it on, she realized that she wants this.
The only thing I know about this is that it feels amazing on my skin. Everything becomes really soft and you just want to keep touching your face like that over and over again.
Yeah, and the entire time that we were shopping, she was just touching her face. Oh my, this is so soft! So the best thing about this product is that if you use this, you would not want to go to any other primer. This is the go-to product that you can, use anytime, and best thing is that it makes your skin so soft and your base glides on so easily, less wastage of product. You guys should definitely try this out, and if you're passing through Sephora, just give this a look.
Awesome!
So what do we have next?
Ta-da!
So we have our foundation. I don't know why, for some odd reason, we just stuck to Clinique and realized that they have really good products.
Yeah, so this is Clinique's Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer.
Oh, the best part about this is that not only is it lightweight, it is a dual combination. So it is a foundation plus concealer. If you're that sort of person who do not want a lot of heavy things going on their face, then this is it. It's very lightweight. Tell them about it. How lightweight is it?
Yeah, it's really nice. It gives you amazing coverage. And I think this is the best foundation I've used. Plus, we didn't buy a concealer because it's foundation plus concealer, so it saves your money too.
Also, all the prices of the products will be mentioned in the description box below. So if you guys want to check that out, it's there.
Oh, we got bronzer. So we got a bronzer.
So we budged a little from Clinique and we went to Sephora, the Sephora products, and we got a bronzer. So this is the Sephora Unique Tan Bronzer, and this looks so pretty and natural on her skin tone that, there are some bronzers which are really dark, I don't know. But we were lucky we found something which was exactly, 2 to 3 shades darker than her skin tone.
Yeah, plus I think if you don't want to invest too much in it,
Yeah.
you can buy Sephora products. They're more reasonable than the other brands they have there.
Yeah, that's true. We swatched that, and this is how the product looks. It's really pigmented. It looks so natural, and I'm in love with it. I think I'm gonna pick that up soon.
Ta-da!
Oh, okay. So this is the Stila 3-in-1 sort of a thing. We got this because it had 3 different shades which she could use as a highlighter, a bronzer, and also we could use that as a eyeshadow. So we got this, and Oh my god, I would love it. I love this highlighter that they have. It is so pigmented. It shines so much.
So this one can be used for highlighting. The other one can be used
As a
for-
bronzer.
Yeah.
And then you can use that as a eyeshadow as well. And
Awesome.
it's baked. I don't know, I have something for baked.
This is amazing. I've
Yeah.
used it once and I think it really catches light on your face and gives you amazing glow.
Close your eyes, pick up something. What is this? Oh, I forgot what we got.
The Clinique's blended face powder and brush.
Oh, yeah. So we got a translucent powder. Personally, I prefer translucent powders over tinted ones because you know it's easier to bake and the foundation color stays on, and yeah, I mean it's easier to bake is one major reason that I use translucent powder. And I asked her to pick that up.
So, and the best part about this one is it comes with this. What is this, Shara?
This is a cute little brush that they have, and you know when we were seeing the powder, the translucent powder, we're like, okay. And then she showed us, ta-da, it comes with this.
It's so cute. It opens up like a lipstick.
Yeah, it's like this roll thing. And it's so easy to carry. I mean, you could just carry it anywhere.
Yeah. Now nice. So this is this, and
What next? This is one of my favorite products.
it is. This is so amazing.
This is really one of my favorite products.
This is Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm.
Yes, so once you've had all that thing going on in your face, you use this to take that off. And this is so amazing.
It's got no smell also. It's nice.
Yeah, but I really prefer if it had
Some strawberry
Straw.
stuff in it. She buys everything when she smells it and she loves it. That's why she ends up buying so much of strawberry smelling things.
So I mean that's the only thing that I miss in this product. It does not smell. It does not smell of anything basically.
Now I want to eat strawberry. So this is really nice is because, you know, when I was trying this on, I had a lot of swatches on my hands and she just wiped it off once on my hand and everything was gone. This is really nice.
Yeah, and the other good part about this thing is that though this, when you apply it on your face, it feels a little oily. But the good part is that it does not leave your face really oily or really dry. Your skin does not
It just
feel
stays
stretched.
hydrated.
Exactly. So with other makeup removers, what happens is that your skin becomes really dry and stretchy. This does not do that. So then we have what do we pick up next?
You picked it up.
Oh yes, this is what we picked up. I really wanted to try this since a very long time. So this is the Clinique face wash for normal, for dry combination skin. So the problem with me is that I have oily T-zones at times, which is which is why I picked this up. I haven't tried this product till now. I really have to try it. And just in case you guys want a review of any of the products that we showed, then we would love to do that for you guys. Please comment down below and let us know what you think. Oh, we also have toner.
Yes!
Oh yes. And I guess, you know, I really think she picked it up because it was pink.
Pink! Yes, it's pink! I love it. It's pink. I want everything pink in my life.
So this is the clarifying toner that we got, and you know she wanted to get all fancy and she wanted a toner. So it's like, let's just pick
But we
this up.
should use toner, you know, because every time I go for a facial and stuff, I have these open pores right here. And whoever does my facial always tells me that whenever you clean your skin or, you know, use a face wash, you should always use a toner after that.
Yeah, actually
Yeah.
you should always do a CTM process.
Unless
before
you have
going
skin
to
like hers, I can't see shit on her face.
I have.
That's a pimple! It's gonna go away!
So yeah, that's the toner that we got. I think she's used it.
Yes, I used it now.
Yeah,
It's nice. I love it. Please buy it.
Does it smell of anything? Why doesn't Clinique have products that smell
It
something?
smells bad. It smells like, I don't know, alcohol.
It smells like some sort of spirit.
Yeah. If you don't have a problem with it, then buy it.
Yeah. Please make products which have good smell. So the last thing that we picked up from Sephora was a lipstick.
And this is a really nice shade. We tried all shades from, NYX to everything else, but this is the best shade. You have to try it.
Yes. So
You gonna swatch it for them?
yes, but let me just tell them what the shade is. This is a Clinique lip color in the shade Matte Peony, and it's such a pretty coralish pinkish shade. What is shade? Shade. It's such a pretty corally pinky shade
Awesome! So proud of you.
that 1 second, let me just swatch that for
Yeah.
you. That's how the color looks, and it looks so pretty. And the main reason that I picked this shade up was because it was perfect for the spring summer season, a perfect color, a very good day look, and I love it.
Hearts.
So
Okay, so is that about it?
yes, we are finally done with our Sephora
Yeah.
haul. We really hope you guys like it, and also we're gonna have such hauls for you guys. I mean, whenever we go out shopping, we will have some really nice, amazing hauls for you guys.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna learn how to do makeup. Do the thing on my face which will make me look all.
And yeah, if you guys liked our video, please give it a huge thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, show it to your friends, your family, anybody, and please comment down below if you really like it and what next would you want to see, and we'd love to do that.
Yeah, so see you guys again real soon.
Bye.
Let's do
This does
makeup.
not smell good.
Let's do makeup on this.
Why?
Because it's nice.
Dude, it doesn't have lips.
Why?
Where do I put it? It does not have lips.
Wait, why? Why do you got no lips?
We'll just talk and I'm like, blah, blah, why am I fumbling so much? I fumbled a lot and blah, and I'm fumbled. And she does not listen. Like it's like you're talking to nobody. What did I just say?
I don't know. I got this bucket to put my makeup in. And it's pink. We say things together.